I am here to tell you about the key features of the solar mounting system materials manufactured by Haina Fastener. Since 2010, our company is one of the fastest growing and highly experienced companies in the solar industry field, focusing entirely on the development and production of solar mounting system accessories for pitched and flat roof and ground mounted systems. Developed and produced in our own factory in mainland China, our products include solar panel fasteners, solar panel fittings, module clamps, solar roof hooks, hanger bolts, profile rails, ground screws, and so on. We can offer a large number of high quality solutions for reliable and secure fastening for solar installations. Versatile design allows us to use our fasteners in almost any roof structure, and because we know that extreme conditions are frequently present where solar panels are used, our fasteners are resistant to the elements, stable and exceptionally reliable. Our screws, made with top quality materials, have a corrosion resistant hot dip galvanized coating which ensures good structural strength and reliable performance even in harsh environments. We have panel fittings suitable for any possible options, for smooth, rough or curved surfaces, for detachable and permanent fixings, with application ranging from a single panel to megawatt size multi-panel systems. Well thought out design coupled with high quality materials delivers rugged durability you can rely on. For structural materials, we used anodized aluminium and stainless steel, both of which are highly reliable and resistant to corrosion. Designed for easy and time-saving installation, our safe and efficient module mounting solutions with direct bolt bonded connection and built-in adjustability and adaptability for any kind of foundation types, including helical piers, ground screws and ballasted mounting, allow you to be flexible on installation site. Our products are developed according to the various national and international standards, including German DIN, Chinese GB, British BS, Japanese JIS, American ASME and ANSI, and therefore are fully compliant with the requirements for solar system installation. The standard minimum order quantity for most of our products are 100 pieces. In warranty terms, we offer 25 years warranty. Being in the industry for more than 10 years, we accumulated a huge amount of experience of working with professional installers. High quality, adaptability and efficiency of our products made them popular with solar industry professionals from all over the world. From a professional point of view, it was great working with this system. It is light, dependable, easy to install and very cutting edge. 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐬 Haina Fastener provides a stronger foundation than any other product I've found. The mounting feet are customizable and can be used with every roofing surface I've found. We love the product line and enjoy working with the staff at Haina Fastener. They understand our scheduling needs and are always open to feedback on their products from the installer's perspective. These, among many others, are our customer reviews. Contact us and we will be happy to provide you with excellent products and outstanding service.